Hello friends, this is our Wigs hair fixing center in Hyderabad. If you have bald hair, we fix the hair in natural look with natural hair. We are fixing at affordable price at our Wigs hair fixing center. In this video you can also see the hair fixing before and after finish, and if you have any doubts about this hair fixing, please contact us or you can comment in below comment section. Okay friends, if you have any doubts about this hair fixing, please contact us or you can comment in below comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.